Ciao everyone! Whatever your preference is, rustic or elegant, this vegan recipe will surprise you. It's healthy and easy to prepare. Let's see how to do it.
Boil sun-dried tomatoes and potatoes in salted water. Chop sun-dried tomatoes. Grate 2 carrots and half of an onion. Chop 1 garlic clove. Sweat garlic, onion and carrots in olive oil. Season it to your liking. I use salt, turmeric, ginger, nutmeg, curry, black pepper. Add some frozen spinach and let the liquid evaporate. Into the peeled potatoes, add sun-dried tomatoes, the cooked veggie, 1 can of rinsed lentils, and 3 spoons of oatmeal. Mix all ingredients. This part is optional. Add some parmesan. If you are vegan, skip it. Adjust the seasoning with black pepper, salt and nutmeg. Add breadcrumbs. If you are gluten intolerant, you can use more oatmeal instead. Form patties and place them in the fridge for 1 hour. In the same time, let's prepare the cherry tomatoes with fresh basil, olive oil, salt and pepper. Preheat a fry pan and grill your burger buns. Check this video for an easy burger bun recipe. Grill both sides of the patties and bake at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Then you can choose how to plate your meal. In an elegant, or rustic style. Check out my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching.